Welcome to Sri Murugan Emporium, supplier and retailer of building and construction products. The company was established in 2012 at Chennai. Our state-of-the-art infrastructure and well-qualified professionals make us unique in the industry. Assured quality products, efficient warehousing, and hassle-free modes of payment are the factors that help us to stay ahead of our competitors. We offer a wide assortment of building paints, sanitary wares, and CP fittings. PVC, UPVC pipes, and wood adhesives offered by us are well known for their durability. HDPE hoses, Steel's TMT bars, and Syntex water tanks offered by us are available at industry-leading prices. We also provide door hardware products, door hinges, and CPVC pipes that are appreciated amongst our clients for superior quality. We are known in the industry as the manufacturer of construction chemical preservative and accessories. Our clients can avail from us an exquisite range of deluxe paint for building and door handle locks for office use that are cost-effective. For more information, log on at www.srimuruganemporium.com.